Hello guys, welcome once again to today's tutorial, and today we're going to be walking you through how to download a script from this amazing website called Canyon.net. Before we proceed, do well to like our channel, share, as well as subscribe. So as usual, we'll just go to our preferred browser. In our case, we're using Opera Mini. So we're going to go ahead and search for code Canyon. Sorry about that. Code Canyon.net. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to the home dashboard, right? So you could go ahead and sign in and proceed. So for today, we're gonna use this template or script called Cirilla. Go ahead and search. Once that is done, we see a bunch of things come up here, and our choice for today is this using Flutter. We're gonna go ahead and click on that. So this pops up. So Cirilla is a multi-purpose Flutter application for WordPress and WooCommerce. Right, so you can go ahead and add your cart. You see here the price, you add your cards, and proceed with the checkout. For our case, we already have this script purchased. So this script comes along with documentations, and you can go ahead and download it. Let me see, you have your detailed details here. What I usually advise, go ahead and read the documentation and understand more about the application. Alright, so let's proceed. Alright, so in order to get started by using this script after your download was successful, you're going to go ahead and get your Flutter SDK. So in our case, we're just going to do Flutter docs for those who don't know. So Flutter documentation, you can just come to the original documentation, where you can see the step-by-step guide on how to install Flutter. So the first thing you want to do is to choose your preferred platform. Whether you're using Windows operating system or Mac OS or Linux or Chrome OS, and I mean the steps are pretty much straightforward, so you just want to go ahead and follow each step one at a time. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and download your preferred IDE. Most people prefer Android Studio, so you're just gonna go ahead and say second Android Studio download. So go ahead and search Android Studio download. The link to this will be dropped in the description. So when that is done, you see your Android Studio here. The latest version of Android Studio as at the time is Ladybug. You could go ahead and just click on this download Android Studio Ladybug directly, or if you perhaps need a previous version of Android Studio, you could just go down a second. You just go down here and choose some other versions that you want, or based on your platform, right? Now once that is done, you want to go ahead and just in case, for people that want to use VS Code to as their preferred IDE, you want to go ahead and say VS Code download, where you click on the official documentation, this first one. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and follow the procedures and select which operating system you're using, and then download it respectively, right? Okay, so once you've successfully downloaded all the required tools in order to run that script, you want to go ahead and open your Visual Studio or preferred IDE. For my case, I'm using Visual Studio, so I have the code here, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it and to get the app running. So one of the things that usually happens, just give it time. depending on your device specification. You just have to give it time to handle some synchronization behind the scene and some other things. So it usually takes a couple of time, but not really long. So you just want to hang on there and see what you get. So once that is done, still analyzing though, but once that is done, you want to go ahead and do Flutter clean. Flutter clean. And you should approach this. So you clean and you clear dependencies and okay. So you deleted these files, and then you want to go ahead and do Flutter Pocket, get all the dependencies and your configuration. So okay, so that was successful. So the next thing you want to do is to run your application. So you're gonna go ahead and say Flutter run. Flutter run. And once that is done, you want to go ahead and select your emulator. So once that is done, you go ahead and select your emulator. So okay, I'm not currently connected. Let me quickly connect and search. Alright, so your connected device shows here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And do Flutter run again all over. The application should run and we should see everything going up smoothly. Okay, so once that is done, we have a finished application here. So this is how our app looks like after installation. So you want to go ahead and explore the application and see everything that is available. So yeah, that is everything we have, and our code is running. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and yeah, see you next time.